I'm John Hocevar. I co-founded Students for Free Tibet way back in 1994. A lot has happened since then. It's turned into a real powerhouse Tibetan-led organization that has inspired Tibetans in exile and even in Tibet itself. We've gotten people out of prison. We've stopped projects from the World Bank to the top levels of the Chinese government. I think this is an organization that is really worth believing in, volunteering for, and donating to. If you can help at all, please do. These are some of the hardest working people I know, and they can really use your help.